this is Bannist, and you are tuning into part 4 of my Fire Red Nuzlocke. Where I last left off, we had just entered Viridian Forest, and I tried to capture a Caterpie, but Fran decided he would rather rip its head off. So he did. Or she did, I should say. Engaged a couple trainers in battles, blah blah blah, nothing too special. Unfortunately, I don't really want to risk engaging in too many more fights and draining my supply of healing items. Now, money is, if I recall correctly, kind of hard to come by in the first few minutes, or rather hours, I should say. Hours if you decide to spend the time capturing every possible creature you could find. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna heal up here. My levels aren't exactly great, and I don't really think I could take on the gym with my current team as they are. Unfortunately, I don't really think I have much in the way of capture options except for whatever's down here. The problem is I don't know what's down here, and I also don't know what level they're at. It could be that they're actually rather, you know, simple. In that case, sure. Oh, I don't really want to take that risk, though. Because if it's too tough for me to pull off, then I will either lose my entire team trying to escape, or, well, if I do manage to escape, then I will have exhausted this area for Pokemon. But I'm going to take the plunge and see what happens. Those who don't take risks gain nothing. Ooh. What do I got? Okay. I apparently was frightened for nothing. So, duplicate claws is in effect. I've already captured a Rattata, so I can safely try to find something else. Oh, Mankey! Yes. Rage Monkey. Osiris, tackle. That's a good hit. Okay. I'm just gonna try and capture Rage Monkey. He looks so angry. What a adorable little monkey. Oh, he broke out of the ball. Crap. Okay. You just keep staring down, Osiris. I'm going to try to throw another ball at you, okay? Yeah. Alright then. Go, Pokeball. I don't want to risk hitting him again. He doesn't look like he has a lot of defense. Then again, Osiris is 3 levels higher than him, but... Yes! Captured. Woot! Rage Monkey. Alright. This is actually a good thing. Light and agile on its feet and ferocious in temperament. When angered, it flies into an uncontrollable frenzy. That's exactly what I need on my team. Yes, Mankey, I shall name thee. And you're also... a dude. I could go for something obvious, but I think I'm going to call him... I'm going to call him Wukong. After the Monkey King from Journey to the East? Or was it Journey to the West? It was Journey to the West. Wukong. I think it was Wukong, anyway. Whatever. Wukong. My Mankey. Now this is actually good for one reason. Because it is a fighting type Pokemon, might eventually learn some moves that are very good against rock types. It has a timid nature. Looks like an awfully angry monkey for a timid nature. Vital Spirit. Can't be put to sleep. That's useful. Scratch and Leer. Not so useful, but we'll work on that. Okay. This is good. Very good. Alright. Now, really killing my potion supply. You know what? I'm just gonna go heal in the center. Can't wait for you to get the darn bike. The darn bike. He says the darn bike. Now, so that deals with Route 22. Really wish I had gotten that Caterpie, but take what I can get, I suppose. Such is the nature of a Nuzlocke. That being said, maybe I can spam the grass outside of the forest for a bit. Train these guys up. I want to get Bahamut to level 10 to start with. Actually, you know what? No, I'll just go straight into the forest. Do this the old-fashioned way. Fast and hard, straight in. Go. Gotta be careful though. I don't want to lose Sun Wukong, or I don't want to lose Wukong. He is quite possibly going to be the ace player for Brock. If I wanted to do this easy, I would have picked Squirtle or Bulbasaur for Brock. Bulbasaur makes the first three gyms look like chumps. Having elemental advantages over the first two, and resisting the... Hello, Metapod. You're worth more experience than most. Well, a little bit more, anyway. Burn him! Oh, I love when I see an HP bar just drop like that. Unless I'm trying to capture something. Alright, level 10. Splendid. Perfect. To be honest, actually, I find that the Metapods and Kakunas you find in this forest are the easiest things to train on. They can't fight back, right? So, strange. I don't recall there being an antidote sitting there last time I came down this way. Did I miss it? I must have. Alright, this guy. So, here's my plan. I've gotten Bahamut to level 10, which is good. I'm going to get Osiris to level 8, Fran to level 8 probably, and I'll get Wukong up to at least level 6. Then I'll venture forth to Peter City. But first, this dude, who is little. Alright, kid, what do you got? Caterpie? I can take a Caterpie. Level 7? Even better. Osiris, descend upon your prey and rend him limb from limb. Oh, you string shot, huh? Lowering my speed. They updated that in like the most recent generation, and string shot now actually reduces speed by 2 stages, which is pretty significant, actually. And actually, oddly enough, makes it a kind of viable move in online competitions. Nice critical hit there, Osiris. A speed drop of that nature is pretty harsh. Unless, of course, the Pokemon in question is already super slow, in which case, yeah, not going to do much. Oh, look at that. XP. Good. Maybe you can get another level out of this guy's second Pokemon. And it's a Caterpie. And it's even higher level than the last one. Perfect. Of course, Osiris has like -4 speed now, so we'll see how that works. Forgot to set my timer for this episode. Oh well, might be a bit longer than usual then. Already been at it for 9 minutes. Anyway, Ooh, and a critical finish. Good job, Osiris. And he gets a level up. Perfect. That gets him to be kind of where I want him. Still hasn't learned any new moves, though, which is a bit of an issue. I want him to learn Gust. Although he's a physical attacker by the nature of his stats. Let's have a look here. Yeah, his physical is slightly higher than his special, so... Anyway, nothing I can do about that for now. I'll probably end up having to teach him Fly. So let's switch him out with, Fran. Fran is probably going to be pretty heavy on the physical. Oh yeah, very heavy on the physical. Once, if I can get Fran up high enough to learn Hyper Fang, he's going to be a definite go-to Pokemon. Who is my opponent? Amir Caterpie. I tried to capture one of you and Fran killed you, so I suppose Fran likes gnawing on bugs. 3 damage. It's not too bad. She's doing more. This Caterpie has no spirit. Well, still took 4 hits though, so I guess it's got a good amount of HP. Don't know how much damage I'm doing. Come on, Fran, finish it. Finish it. Now, when I originally played the games, I actually never paid much attention to Rattata. Didn't care too much for him. But now that I've, playing it now and having gotten back into the X and Y games where they're astoundingly rare, and even rare in Omega Ruby, I find I actually quite like Rattata's overall design. Not so much Raticate, that's just a really big rat, but Rattata is pretty cool in my book. Might as well keep pushing forward. Would have been super lucky if I'd found a Pikachu on my first encounter here. But there's like only a 5% chance of that thing showing up, so luck was not with me. Oh, okay. That's gonna hurt. I think that did about 4 damage. Fran. And you're poisoned. Crap. How much is the poison gonna do? 2 damage. Okay. That was barely worth the fight. Okay. Slap an antidote in your face. Good job, Fran. And heal. Good job, Fran. Alright. You have researched breathing. Ah, another victim. Let's go. Did I know that Pokemon evolve? Yes, I did. He's got 3. Metapods. Yes, they can't do shit. Fran, easy XP, attack! Of course, they are in fact physically defensive, and Fran is a physical attacker, which means that this guy is going to become significantly harder to hurt momentarily. But I need to get Fran up levels, so we're just going to have to poke him to death, I guess. Oh, Metapod used Harden. Reminds me of that battle way back in like the first season of the Pokemon anime where Ash is like battling with his Metapod against another guy in his Metapod, and if I recall correctly, that dude was dressed in samurai armor. Yeah. That was a long battle with lots of hardening between 2 guys. So awkward. So awkward. Alright, first Metapod is down, 108 experience, good. What's that going to shoot you up, Fran? Yeah, Fran learned Quick Attack. Useful priority move. At least for the early game. He sends out a Caterpie next, huh? Okay, that's fine. Gonna beat the crap out of you with tackle. Oh, but faux Caterpie's attack sucks. Tackle. String shot. Oh no. I'm gonna crush you. Hang in there, Fran. It's only sticky, gooey webbing. I'm sure you'll be fine. Crushed. Now, is that going to be enough to get you up to level 8? No. And another Metapod. Joy joys. I think Quick Attack is like the same damage, so I might as well just use that. I don't think it makes a difference, actually. Well, actually, he's fast enough to use his Hardens, but that's okay. I'll just wear him down over time. Oh, nice, Fran. I really hope I can get you some sort of critical up item. Or at least enhanced critical attacks. Maybe make the crits work in my favor. Too bad you don't have super luck, but what can be done? Level 8. Perfect. Okay. Wonderful, Charlie. You've been kicked in the arse. Yes, you lost. I acknowledge your defeat. Splendid. And Fran didn't even suffer a single injury, so that's even better. So we're going to switch out for Wukong now. Now he's the youngest of my team, so in terms of levels, he's probably actually a pretty old monkey. Well, hello, Pikachu. Meet Wukong. Ooh. Oh, that hurt. That really, really hurt. Okay, switch. Definitely cannot send Osiris out there. That Pikachu will barbecue him. Bahamut will have to take the hit. Too bad I didn't find you first. I would have liked you on my team. Oh, you used Growl. It would have been good against Wukong, but I'm a special attacker. Boom, baby. You've been defeated. You can go home now. Sorry, Wukong, that wasn't much in the way of XP, but you couldn't take any hits from that thing. And, well, remain standing. Ban has found one potion. Good. I could use more of those. Maybe we'll get Wukong up to about level 7, maybe? I think. Ah, just a basic Caterpie. Okay. Not exactly a lot of damage for a fighting Pokemon, but okay. I'm going to assume that's just because of his levels. Losing a lot of speed there, Wukong. Step it up. I don't like that. Switch. Bahamut. Bam! Bye-bye, bug. Again, not preferable. It's going to really slow down the grinding here, but nothing to be done. I really need Wukong to stay alive here, so Bug Boy, let's battle. Hey, wait up. What's the hurry? Why the rush? Just fight. What do you got? One dude? And it's a Weedle. Splendid. Oh, it's level 9 Weedle. Yeah. No. You're not fighting him. You're fighting Bahamut, who's a little more on par with you. Bam! Alright, Bahamut, let's go. Alright. Meet your end, Weedle. 49 XP, level 4. No attack and... Damn. That's no good. Well, sucky. Alright. Let's hang around here for a little bit. Wukong needs more levels. I'm pretty sure he learns a fighting move relatively early. Low kick, maybe? I think that does damage based on weight, which is really good against the heavy rock types of Brock's gym. Although, if Wukong doesn't really start up in the attack level stat there, he's not going to do a whole lot of damage. Perhaps I can find some other way to work around that, but for now, charge! There's those poison stings. Push through, Wukong. Push through. Alright. Hang in there, buddy. Yeah. Finish off that Weedle. Weedle. Level 5. Good. New moves, new moves, no new moves. Alright. Well, I'm going to push ahead, hit the Pokemon Center, and see what happens. Nothing special there. Fair enough. Route 2. Wait, I caught something on Route 2, so I can't catch anything here. Fair enough. Peter City. Okay, so... Hello. What are you? Oh, you're a Jigglypuff. Oh god, it's putting me to sleep! No! I hope it doesn't pull out that damn marker. I wonder where it actually keeps that marker. Alright, Team Rocket's at Mount Moon. I really want a Pikachu, so I'm trading my Clefairy for one. Alright, fair enough. What is this? Just cancel. Yeah. Alright. So, I am going to call it an episode here. A bit longer than the last couple, I suppose. That's my mouse. Thanks for watching, everyone. And we'll see you on the flip side.